Grading limits define the area of disturbance in your grading optimization. And in larger drawing, it will help reduce unnecessary optimization and improve performance. Use a closed feature like a polygon or parcel to define the grading limits. Only the grading objects and surface area within the closed boundary will be used in the grading optimization. If necessary, you can have more than one grading limits in your project. But if the grading limits overlap, you need to manage the grading limit priority in the grading optimization browser. To assign grading objects, open the grading object tool palette. On the analysis tab, grading optimization panel, select grading object. In the grading object tool palette, select grading limit. Following the command line prompts, select the closed geometry from your drawing file. And the grading limit properties, specify a logical name for the grading limits. Then select the grading constraint that you want to use. Global constraints are defined in the grading optimization and can be assigned to any zone. This is ideal for applying common constraints to a number of different zones. Using these constraints, grading optimization will attempt to keep triangle slope within this range. Follow global grading objectives allow you to set exception for the grading object. And the color tile can be used to assign a color to an entity in your drawing. You will find this helpful so you know the grading object has been successfully tagged. After the grading object has been assigned, you will see it appear by name under the grading limits in the object browser. Selecting the grading object in the browser will also select it in the drawing and load it into the properties palette. In the properties palette, you can edit the grading constraint and or properties that are currently assigned to the grading object. And using the contextual menu from the object menu browser, you can zoom into the grading object and have it centered in the drawing window. If a grading object is assigned to a CAD object or feature, it will retain the association indefinitely. This may not be apparent when viewing your drawing, but when the object is selected, the grading properties palette will open. To remove the association, you can either delete the CAD geometry or you can use the contextual menu to remove the grading object from the drawing. Using this option will keep the CAD geometry in the drawing, but strip the grading data from the entity. You can use the contextual menu to remove a single grading feature or multiple grading features that you have selected.